Structural organization in animal. In multicellular organism, group of similar cells along with intercellular substance performing a specific function is called tissue. Tissue level of organization start from colentata or anidae. Types of tissue. Tissue. Epithelial tissue. Origin ecto, endo and meso. Function secretion, absorption, diffusion, filtration. Connective tissue. Mesoderm. Function support. Muscular tissue. Origin mesoderm. Function locomotion and movement. Nervous tissue. Origin ectoderm. Control and coordination. Epithelial tissue. Epi means upon, thelia means growth. This tissue has a free surface which faces either body fluid or outside the environment and thus provide covering or lining of some part of a body. Position of a epithelial tissue. Outer layer of all body organ including skin, internal lining of a hollow organ or a tract, also form glands of a body. In epithelial tissue, little and negligible intercellular substance or a matrix present. Epithelial tissue shows high regeneration power. Epithelial tissue has avascular but nerves are present. All epithelial tissue rests on non-cellular basement membrane. Types of epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue. Single layer present on internal lining of a body cavity and ducts and tubules. Function, secretion, absorption and diffusion. Compound epithelial tissue. Multiple layer for protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Types of simple epithelial tissue. Simple squamous, simple cuboidal and simple columnar. Simple squamous epithelial tissue. Function, filtration and diffusion. It is also called pavement epithelium, tile-like pattern. Castellated epithelium, pavement with irregular margin. Castellated epithelium present on endothelium of a blood vessel and mesothelium of a body cavity. Examples of a simple squamous epithelial tissue. Respiratory system, alveoli of lungs, excretory system, Bowman's capsule, descending loop of a Henle, circulatory system, endothelium and internal lining of a heart. Simple cuboidal epithelium. Function, secretion and absorption. Normal cuboidal epithelium present on germinal epithelium of a gland, testes and ovary, vesicles of a thyroid, tubules and ducts of gland, nephron, ascending loop of Henle, riceti and collecting duct. Brush border cuboidal epithelial tissue present on PCT of a nephron, proximal connected tubule of a nephron, microvilli. Increase surface area for absorption. Cilia and microvilli present only in cuboidal and columnar epithelium. Types of cilia. Motile cilia called kinocilia or non-motile cilia called sterocilia. Simple columnar epithelium. Function, secretion and absorption. Goblet cell. Mucus releasing cells are present. Oval shaped nucleus present at the base. Normal columnar epithelial tissue. Glands of gut, gastrointestinal tract, brush border columnar epithelium, small intestine for absorption and gallbladder. Kinociliated columnar epithelium, upper respiratory tract, fallopian tube and bronchiole. Sterociliated columnar epithelial tissue, epidermis, vas deferens and internal layer. Glandular epithelium. Glands formed by modification of columnar and cuboidal epithelium. On the basis of number of cells, unicellular, goblet cell and Paneth cell, multicellular, all gland except unicellular gland like a goblet cell and Paneth cell, antibacterial lysozyme. On the basis of presence or absence of duct, exocrine gland, endocrine gland and heterocrine gland. Exocrine gland, ducts are present, release secretion direct on target organ through duct, milk releasing, mucus releasing, saliva releasing and enzyme releasing gland. Endocrine gland, ducts are absent, release secretion in body fluid, all hormone releasing gland. Heterocrine gland, mixed gland, both exocrine and endocrine gland. Example, pancreas, testes and ovary. Compound epithelium, stretchable and non-stretchable. Stretchable epithelial tissue is a transitional epithelial or urothelium present on in urinary system, pelvis, ureter, urinary bladder, and proximal urethra of a male. Non-stretchable is also called stratified epithelial tissue. Stratified epithelial tissue types: stratified squamous and stratified cuboidal. Stratified squamous are two types: keratinized and non-keratinized. Keratinized dead due to deposition of a keratin protein, skin, nails, and hairs. Non-keratinized oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, and vagina, anal canal, and cornea. Stratified cuboidal large ducts of secretory gland, salivary, and mammary. Cell junction. Mostly junctions are present in epithelial tissue. Gap junctions are present in muscular and nervous tissue. Tight junction help to stop substance leakaging across the tissue. Adhering junction or a dismissive junction perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Gap junction rapid transfer of ions, small molecules, and some large molecules. NCERT reading. In multicellular animals, group of similar cells along with intercellular substance performing a specific function, such organization is called tissue. When two or more organs perform a common function by their physical and chemical interaction, they together form an organ system. Example: digestive system and respiratory system. Animal tissue. Structure of a cell vary according to their function. Therefore, the tissue are different and broadly classified into four types: epithelial, connective, muscular, and neural. Epithelial tissue. We commonly refer to an epithelial tissue as an epithelium or an epithelia. Tissue has a free surface which faces either body fluid or outside the environment and thus provides covering or lining of some part of a body. The cells are compactly packed with little intercellular matrix. There are two types of epithelial tissue, namely simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium is composed of single layer of cells and function lining of a body cavity, ducts, and tubules. The compound epithelium consists of two or more cells layers and has protect function it does in our skin. On the basis of structural modification of a cell, simple epithelium further divided into four types: simple squamous, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar. Simple squamous epithelium is made up of single thin layer of flatter cells with irregular boundaries that are found in walls of blood vessels and air sacs of lungs and are involved in function like forming a diffusion of a bond. The cuboidal epithelium is composed of single layer of tube-like cells. This is commonly found in ducts of gland and tubular part of a nephron in a kidney. Its main function: secretion and absorption. The epithelium of a proximal convoluted tubule called PCT in short form of a nephron in kidney has microvilli. The columnar epithelium is composed of single layer of tall and cylinder cells. The nuclei are located at the base. The free surface may be microvilli. They are found in lining of stomach and intestine and help in secretion and absorption. If the columnar and cuboidal bear cilia on their free surface, they are called ciliated epithelium. Their function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. They mainly present in inner surface of a hollow organ like bronchioles and fallopian tube. Some of the columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion and are called glandular epithelium. They are mainly into two types: unicellular, consisting isolated glandular cells, goblet cells of alimentary canal, and multicellular consists cluster of cells called salivary gland. On the basis of mode of pouring secretion, glands are divided into two categories, namely exocrine, endocrine. Exocrine glands secrete mucus, saliva, airwax, oil, milk, digestive enzyme, and other cells of a product. These products are released through ducts or a tubule. In contrast, endocrine glands do not have a duct. Their products called hormones are secreted directly into fluid bathing the gland. Compound epithelium is made up of more than one layer or multiple layers of a cell and thus limited role in secretion and absorption. Their main function is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. They cover the dry surface of a skin, moist surface of a buccal cavity, pharynx, inner lining of a duct of salivary gland and of a pancreatic duct. Junction. Tight junction helps to stop substance decreasing across a tissue. Adhering junction, also called desmosome junction, perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Gap junction facilitates the cell to communicate with each other by connecting the cytoplasm of adjoining cells for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules and sometimes big molecules.